A valve spindle may be ground only if the available grinding machine is able to keep within the prescribed angle tolerance. Grinding is shown performed by a Hunger spindle grinding machine. This is one of the recommended special tools. The angle tolerance demanded for your engine is indicated in the maintenance manual, Group 275, page 4. The grinding machine should be placed where there is as little vibration as possible. It must be equipped also with the appropriate vibration dampers. Only valve spindles with the turning wings already shrunk on may be ground. When using a grinding disc for the first time, or changing disc, it must be balanced. How this is done is described in the Hunger operating instructions. To obtain an optimal grinding pattern, the spindle rotational speed must be found individually, depending on the valve disc diameter. Turn the infeed carefully until the grinding disc touches the seating surface of the spindle. The pendulum movement must be adjusted so that the grinding disc reverses its direction at roughly the last third of the seat surface. Only wet grinding may be done. First, rough grind until the seat surface is equally machined. The infeed must be about 0.025 millimeters. Now we have a proper seating surface, and the spindle also runs true. Before fine grinding, finishing, is started, the grinding disc must be dressed. Turn the infeed carefully until the grinding disc touches the seating surface and wait until sparking is ceased. For finishing, we recommend 0.01 millimeters infeed. Grinding is concluded when there is no more sparking. The concentricity error should be nil, the seating surface fine and chatter-free. The dimension measured here represents the total wear on the valve spindle seat. It must not exceed 3 millimeters. The amount must be entered in the record. Final check of the valve spindle takes place when it is fitted in the valve cage. A little bluing is applied to the spindle to check its contact. Owing to the risk of seizure, the spindle must only be lowered to the seat to obtain a bluing strip. The correct angle difference between the valve seat and the valve disc is checked by the opening S. In your maintenance manual, Group 275, page 3D, you will find a table showing the appropriate S dimension for your engine type. The bluing check must show the valve making contact at its entire circumference, but only on the inside. The reassembly of the exhaust valve follows as shown in the film Exhaust Valve Overhaul.